Alex here. Today I'm going to talk about getting and obtaining textbooks and selling them and how to price textbooks. Textbooks are really large profit margins, so it's something that you definitely want to do. So I'm going to show you one tactic today that you can use to get textbooks without having to leave your house. So let's go into here. I'm going to go into here, my Yahoo email. I got an email this morning at 1 o'clock. Somebody reached out to me. I'm going to show you the ad that I placed on Craigslist. So you go to Craigslist and you place a simple ad, a free simple ad like this, looking for textbooks. We will purchase your textbooks from you. We pay top dollar. Message us, a picture of the books, and we'll quote you whatnot. So put that 10 days ago. I've gotten several messages, but this is one that came in today, and I want to use this as an example. A person reached out to me at 1 in the morning. I send them my phone number and asked him to send me the ISB number so I could check out the books. This person has over 20 books, and he was able just to send me 10 this morning, and I'll show you the text here in a second. So here's a screenshot of the text that it came through. Here are the ISBN numbers that he sent me this morning. I said, okay, I'll look at these and send you pricing soon. So this is just half of what he has. He wasn't home. So I'm going to go over with you today what free platform you could use to price out textbooks, and you can make offers on these, and you could place multiple free ads on Craigslist, and you'll get people reaching out to you. This is just one example. I have other emails that have been sent, and I will get to those for pricing. So let's go over how to price these. I'm going to show you exactly how you price them out using this platform. The platform that you want to download is Bookscouter. It's free, and the strategy here that you want to use is, depending on how the quality of the book, books could be graded very good, or as is, right? But to keep things very, very simple for you at the beginning, you're just going to price out books based on them being good and use the percentage I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to take one of these examples, one of these ISBN numbers, and we're going to price one out together. All right, so you're going to go to Bookscouter, and you're going to put the ISBN number here. I'm going to type that in: 134396022. I'm going to copy this onto an Excel sheet that I have made here, and I'll make a copy of that. You guys can download that. I'll put this IBS number here because there's going to be a lot of books. And the simple formula here is the Bookscouter price is going to go on here, and you're going to pay out 75% as a general rule. If you really want it to be specific, if the book is very good, you're going to pay out 85% of the price I'm going to show you. If the book is good, then it's going to be 75%. And if the book is as is, then you're going to pay out 65% as a general rule. Now, if you want to do this fast, and you want to keep things, if you're training people or whatnot, and you have to do this fast, let's say you're at a college, you have a table set up, and you could generally go with 75%. So that's the number I'm going to use here today. And now let me show you what price you're going to use for Bookscouter. So I'm going to search here for this book. Let's see what it is. I'm doing this live. So this is an anatomy and physiology book. So great rank, 34,000. What you want to do is, this website shows you all of the book buyers, right? This student could go on here. If he knew about this, he could go on here and try to sell his book to one of these buyers, and you're piggybacking off of all of these companies that would buy this book off of him, and you're going to take the highest price, right? You're not going to take the lowest price, because if this student knew about this website, he would go on here and he would sell it for the highest price, and the highest price is $94.50. All right, Amazon is selling it for $113, and we'll discuss that later, but $94.50, that's the price that will go on the Excel sheet. So you'll make him an offer for $70 for that book. It's as simple as that. So Bookscouter usually gives you about 15 quotes, and you're going to take the highest price. Let's do another one, the second one on here, and I'm going to do these right down the line. so you can see how this all works. Let's do the next one. 0134 421 353. Let me copy that because I'm actually going to make this offer here shortly. I'll text them that offer here, but I thought I'd record this and show you guys how this is done. So let's see what this book is coming up here. All right, chemistry. Great rank, 16,000. Let's see what the highest price is here, 87.50, right? So 87.50, let's put that in our Excel sheet. 87.50. Let's copy this. So 65.63. And I'm gonna put a sum column up here because I'm gonna make him or her a total offer on all of the books. So far we're at 136. So I'll text them back and I'll say, hey, on these 10 books, I'll give you X amount. So I'm going to do all of these books and show you what the total is here. And that way you could see this whole process. So as you can see, I'm just putting these in. Another chemistry book here, 19,000 rank. Highest price is 98.70. Going to the Excel sheet, 98.70. I've already put all of the books that he sent me here. And all I'm doing is I'm copying it and I'm pasting it onto Booksprout. Coming onto here. And we're just going down the list. This is fairly quickly. And here's a physics book, 108. Go back to my Excel sheet. 108. I'm at $413 of an offer price. We got a couple more. Let's do. All right, so I have I've gotten the price on all of these books just like I showed you how to do it on Bookscouter. 75% off the highest price on there. Then you're pretty safe doing that. But I also want to show you what the profit margins are. So I've created this column here, used buy box, and this is the way I sell the books, the way you should sell books, because they're going to sell faster through Amazon if they're in the buy box. So you have the new buy box and you have the used buy box, and it's very easy to buyers just to click on here, and they have the prime shipping. So for example, on the first book, the Anatomy and Physiology, the buy box, the used buy box price is $147.77. So here it is, $147.77. But let's take the next one so you see this process live. And you go up here, you paste that. Let's see if that comes. So here's a chemistry book. Let's click onto that. And you go to the right here, and the buy new is for $210, buy used $139.72. 139.72. So let me create another column here. $76 profit margin, whatever Amazon is going to take off their fees on there. But so that's a nice healthy profit margin. You're going to have your FBA fees or whatnot. You might end up making $50-$40 per book, but it's certainly a great return on investment. So I'm going to continue to do that, and I'll show you here at the end. But I also want to show you this before I do the other books. The buy box for used prices is $139, and that's what we used here. All right, so I do want to show you this, although the strategy is to sell through the used buy box. That's the quickest way, because as you can see, as soon as somebody's looking for this book, the very first books that are going to be offered to them are the new, and then the used is going to be at this price. But you can compete at much higher prices for used books. So let me show you where you could really price this book. If I was going to filter this for Prime or free shipping, we have it at 147, which is the very first price here. But look, 180, 195 Prime. You could price it at 195. as high as 198, as 199, 200, 209. Let's go at 209 here. Well, let's just bump it up a little bit more to 188 prime. And let's go back to our Excel. Let's say we go 188 here. Now profit margin of $100. And you could do this for every book because you're still offering that free delivery that is prime. And as you can see, the buy box is just the, if you have other competitors in there that they're pricing at free shipping, you could definitely bump up your book. It might take a little bit longer to sell, but now you're jumping, let's say, your profit margin for each book. This is a potential 700, 800, 900 profitable 12 books for you. All right. So again, to recap, is Bookscouter. It's free. You could download it to the desktop. You could download it onto your phone if you're at a university pricing books out, or you could simply use the strategy of what I just showed you here. You could place ads on Craigslist, on Facebook Marketplace, in another app is Nextdoor, and just say that you buy textbooks at high prices, and you are paying at a high price, and you have books come to you, and these are very high margins for these books. All right, I'll see you on the next one.